I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 1 scoop of protein powder for 20-30 g protein per serving, 250 ml of liquid such as milk, almond milk, or water, and 1/2 cup fruit or 30 g nut butter for carbs and healthy fat. Add a tablespoon of seeds, like 15 g chia or flax, for fiber and omega-3s, and a pinch of salt to enhance flavor. If you want calories, include 60-90 g oats for sustained energy and extra texture. Combine ingredients in a blender. Blend 250 ml liquid, 1 scoop powder, and 1/2 cup fruit for smooth texture. Start low and increase speed to avoid foaming. Use 3 to 4 ice cubes or frozen fruit to thicken and chill the shake without watering it down. For creaminess, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt or 30 g avocado, and adjust sweetness with 1 teaspoon honey or 5 drops liquid stevia. Pulse for 20-30 seconds until homogeneous and check consistency before serving. Drink your shake soon for best nutrient uptake. Consume fresh within 30 minutes post-workout or refrigerate up to 24 hours for later use. Refrigerate leftovers at 4 degrees C and shake or reblend before drinking to restore texture. Discard if smell or appearance changes. Avoid raw eggs for safety. Use pasteurized egg products if adding eggs for protein. Label containers with time and date, and keep portion size to 300-500 ml to control calories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.